This 61-piece precision screwdriver set has everything you need to get a wide variety of jobs done. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. You can elongate the top part to get this the distance that you need, or just keep it default. It also comes with a flexible piece. This way it could be bent into tight spaces and you can get the job done. Each one of these holders is clearly marked with what type of bit is in those holders. Here's a closer look at all of the bits that you get with this. Again, there is no shortage. Here are some ways I use this around the house. Here is a very tiny torque bit. That is a tamper-resistant torque bit with a pillar on the inside. Here's a very common Phillips. The carrying case locks easily. You could throw this in your tool bag and take it to the location.